Welcome back, everybody, to our grand opening special of Super Nintendo World, in which we're going to play another game on the DOS, and it's Wheel of Fortune featuring Vanna Live. Let's see how it goes. Here we go. Created by Game Tech, of course. I should also point out that we just finished playing Jeopardy featuring Alex Trebek for the DOS, and we won $67,999. What's going to happen here on Wheel featuring Vanna for the DOS? We'll find out soon. As we take on Lynn and Ronald today. First round category. $750. Is there an S? Makes sense to me. 1S. Let's reveal that. And there goes the 700. My turn, or 750, whichever it was. 250. Is there a T? Yeah, there are 3 of them. That's $750 right there. Let's go again. 450. Is there an H? Makes sense. I would like to buy an E. Okay, we have 2 of those. I'll spin. 300. How about an N? 1 N. 1250. 700. L. 2 L's, okay. Let me buy an A, just to be safe. Okay, there are 4 A's. Just to be safe, I'll spin again. Is there an R? No. Lynn's spinning. Let's see what she gets. 200. Is there a C? No. Back to Ronald. It's another bankrupt. Let me spin just to be safe. Spin. Is there a K? No. This is a tough puzzle. 450. Is there a D? No. $900. Is there an M? Yeah, okay. I just could not figure out that last word. No I. I think I'll solve. The Atlanta Flames. $2,400 so far. We'll move on to our second round with a $2,500 space on the wheel. Let's add a prize, which is going to be alright. The category this round, and I get to start the round. Let's go. 400. R. Nope. Lynn. 850. Is there an N? Nope. Ronald. 450. Is there an S? That there is. $750. There is an L, however. Is there an E? Okay, we have 1 E. And that is what do we call a lose-a-turn. Computer, let's see if there's a T. No, so I don't get the cash or the prize. No T. And that's a bankrupt. 450. Is there a C? Sorry. Is there an M? Okay, there's one M. Let me buy an I. Okay, we have an I. 950. Is there an F? There is an F. Nah, let's go for it. D. $2,300 this round. Feudalism. $200 out. We've gone to our third round with a $5,000 space on the wheel. And Lynn is the one who's going to start. 300. Is there a T? Nope. Ronald. That's a bankrupt. 700. Is there an R? There is. All right. Spin. Is there an S? No. So it's not what I thought it was. All right. That's a lose a turn. That's a bankrupt. Let me buy an E. No, Lynn. $450. Is there a G? Nope, Ronald. Can't find any letters. That's a lose a turn. Is there an N? Nope. Are there any letters in this puzzle? L. No. $5,000. Uh-oh. No Y. Let me buy an A. Okay, we got one A up there. Is there a D? No. $750. Is there an M? There we go. Well, we're finding them one at a time. 800. Is there an H? Sorry. 300. Is there a B? That there is. Now what? Buying an O. That should help two of them. These are $50 and there are no vowels left. Bookmark. He got it. Oh, well, we're going to $200. And I'm on $4,700 and we're going to go to the bonus round here. Play for a great bonus prize. And as for which letter I'm going to choose, I'm going to choose the second E. Thing will be the category, R-S-T-L-N-E. Let's see how many of those letters are up there. I'm going to get a lot of them. All right. We just have a few more spaces to fill in. Let's put them up there. And now we need 3 more consonants and a vowel. I'll take a V. Take a G. I'll take a P. And an I. Okay. All right. So the first word is universal, but what is the second word? Universal. Oh gosh. I'll just guess universal faint. Yeah, I'll just guess it. Joint. So I would have won a mink coat worth $16,400. But no less, $4,700. That's not too bad. I did the best I could. And we'll see you all for the next segment after the break. Universal Joint